Good morning. Welcome to online class. Dear students, today we will learn about displacement reactions and a simple activity and a summary of displacement reactions. Dear student, don't forget you should subscribe my YouTube channel, likes, comment and share it, and also click the bell buttons. Let us start our class today. What is a displacement reactions? A displacement reaction is a type of reaction that replaces part of one reactor with another, and also displacement reaction is a substitution reactions. You'll see, you know that the image of diagram how I plotted to you. AB plus C, it gives A plus BC. I repeat, in the equations a component or element AB and C, and it gives A plus BC. A displacement reaction is the one wherein the atom or a set of atoms is displaced by another atom in a molecule. Let us take some simple example. When iron is added to copper sulphate solution, it displaces the copper metal. I repeat, for an example, when iron is added to a copper sulphate solution and it displaces copper metal. In the displacement reactions form two types. It is metal with metal, and also it is form metal with non-metal. You will see a single displacement reactions occurs when another element in a component is replaced by an element. A metal only substitutes for a metal, and a non-metal only substitutes for a non-metal. Dear student, only a more reactive element in the component with which its react can replace the other element. Dear student, let us perform simple activity of displacement reactions. The parts required for the activity: 1. Stand. 2nd. Test tube. 3rd. Iron nails. 4th. Copper sulphate solution. It is like a aqua solution. What happened when zinc and copper sulphate reacted with? It is a displacement reactions. It is a form of many steps. The steps 1, take 3 iron nails and clean them by rubbing with sandpaper. And dear student, steps 2, take 2 test tubes marked as A and B. In each test tube, take about 10 milliliter copper sulphate solution. Dear student, keep your mind, in each test tube, take about 10 milliliter copper sulphate solution. And steps 3, tie 2 iron nails with a thread and immerse them carefully in the copper sulphate solution in the test tube P for about 20 minutes. A student, in the test tube P for about 20 minutes. Keep 1 iron nails aside for comparison. And steps 4, after 20 minutes, take out the iron nails from the copper sulphate solution. And steps 5, compare the intensity of blue color of copper sulphate solution in the test tube A and B. And the last steps, so very important, also compare the color of iron nails dipped in the copper sulphate solution with the one kept aside. You will see the image of diagram before the reactions and after the reactions. I can plot simple equation for chemical reactions. Zinc, what happened when zinc and copper sulphate react? When zinc and copper sulphate reacted in the aqueous state, a simple displacement reaction will take place in which the zinc will displace the copper from the copper sulphate to form zinc sulphate. Yes, children, keep your mind. The copper of solution or color of solution will go from blue to colorless. It's a very important this line. You note on that the color of solution will go from blue to colorless due to the change in cation of this component. So I written the equation method: zinc solid state and copper sulphate aqueous state, and it gives zinc sulphate. It's a form aqueous solutions and it's a form with copper. The reason this reaction occurs in that zinc is placed above the copper in the reactive series and so will displace it from its component. Keep your mind, dear children, this is kind of reaction is called as displacement reactions. Okay, thank you, dear children. Thank you. Peace be with you.